Hi guys, welcome back to Julian's Garden. I hope you have a beautiful day. Wow, it's very cold and outside in our area today and it's raining as well, very miserable. I think it's around 6 degrees Celsius at the moment, so I thought that I'm gonna film this video inside. And the video today, I would like to give you the update about my betel leaf plants that they are just here. I did film the video a while ago how to grow and care for betel leaf plants in a cool temperate climate, but also I did show you the video like how to make a betel leaf rolls, like from the leaves that like from the betel leaf plants that I grow. Yeah, and I really love that dish and I highly recommend it if you like to eating pork. Anyway, I got two plants. The day I filmed the video, I got two plants and they are still here. I'm not sure on that day I repot them yet or not, but I repot them. I don't know. I'm not sure, but I repotted them maybe in early summer because I thought the container would like getting small for them. But anyway, I didn't want to repot them in super large container because I really want to overwinter them indoors so I can keep them alive. So you can see I got two plants in here and one I have much less leaves than the one on my very close to me here because that's one I left it like both of them they were like outside under my carport, but that's this one I left them a little bit more further, like more exposed into the windy area. While this one I got a chance, I got the spot that I could tuck this one a little bit further, more protected. So that's why this one their leaves still like look okay, even though they got a little bit of the cold burn, frost burn. Yeah, so they were outside were until -3, and I thought I saw the one that they lost a lot of leaves. I thought that I think I think they would die if we got like -6 or -7, But I'm glad I brought them inside because even -3, and I did see their stem they got quite a bit of dieback and plaque as well. I will show you a little bit close up. But anyway, the area I place them here, they are like south facing, so it doesn't have any direct sunlight. I wish that I got more room in the area that got like north facing. The area, if you remember, I put my chili plants and my light trees in my lounge room on the other side. I like that spot so I could give my like heat loving plant have some sunlight, but here I don't have anywhere else, so they just stay here for now. And I just hope that they just hanging in there until spring, and when the temperature like got much warmer or 8 or 10 degrees Celsius during the night, I will bring them outside. So let me give you a closer look about the one over here. They got quite a bit of damage. You can see like when I brought it inside, I did trim this plant quite a bit before it was much taller, just around here actually. And yeah, a lot of of the dieback because of the cold, and the stem that got burned by the cold and by the frost as well. Even it didn't have a direct frost into this, but still got the cold damage because this is like heat loving plant. They don't like the cold. Yeah, and a lot of of the runner this one try to send down. I did have to trim it quite a bit. You can see a lot of the runner down here. If I just snip it down and then put in the little container with some potting mix, and it naturally I will have another plant from this as well. Very easy to pop with them from the cutting. Yeah, and I think it can be survive, but we'll see. This one on the top here is very, it's really dark like this. Look at that. Even before I did have to cut it several times already. But every time I touch the leaf and then I smell, and I put my hand next to cold to my nose, I could smell beautiful scent of the betel leaves. Yeah, I haven't watered them much since I bought them inside though, so that is really nice. I just kind of like left them to stay on the damp side, not really wet, but not really too dry either. Yeah, I I'm surprised they still knew this one, especially still looking good. And I think definitely this one will survive. And I think if I got warmer spot for them, and I think these plants will be much happier, especially this one, because these two plants, they love the heat, they love the warm climate, so you don't like the cold. And this area doesn't have any sunlight at all shining to them. So if you watch my video, like where I overwinter my chili plants, area over there, they got a lot of sunlight, and those two, chili plants, they still look really happy. So anyway, I'm looking forward to spring, and then I can bring them outside, and they can flourish again, and I will fertilize them at that time as well. And then I can have a lot of beautiful leaves. To use the leaf for other dishes as well. Example, like when I stir fry eggplants, and at the end of the cook, I just use some of the leaf here to chop up very finely and put in the stir fry of the eggplant, and it's delicious. What do I use? I use several dishes actually. Yeah. Anyway, let's go to my front yard. I'm gonna show you my curry tree leaves. Alright, I'm in my front yard, and this is the curry tree leaves that I cover with the plastic. And this area in north facing, that it got a lot of sun until maybe 3 p.m. in the afternoon. And we got, the brick wall next to it, and we got the eave on the top as well, so it got quite a bit of protected, and plus I got a lot of plants around it as well. So if you bloom a lot of plants together, and that will make the plant gets feel a little bit warmer as well. So this curry tree that I got it around 4 years now, and since I started gardening, because my husband, he loved cooking with a lot of its leaves, and he loved cooking curry and dal, all sorts of those things. And last year and few years before that as well, it's warmer in this spot, and until last year we got a lot of cold and rain as well. I could see a lot of dieback on the main stem, and that is that I decided to move the tree into warmer spot like here, because last year it was my backyard, and then nothing to to protect it, nothing to have it much warmer or anything at all. But this year it got a lot of of other things to have it. Like I mentioned about the big wall, and a lot of of the sun as well, because last year the area I got for it no sun in the winter at all. So yeah, it wasn't wasn't helpful for the tree either. All right, let me just oh, by the way, this year I put the plastic bag. I'm not sure what kind of bag is it actually. Someone gave away, and then I asked for it, and she gave to me, and I thought that this one is very good to cover to cover my tender plant. And this bag, it got some holes actually. Let me show you. It got some hole on the way around here. So can you see the hole? Here the hole. Alright, here is the tree, and in the front it got quite a bit of the frost or the cold damage, but the further back next to the wall, you can see look much healthier. Yeah, look at it, the one inside look much happier than last year. Last year it died down all the way down, just around 5 centimeters above the ground. Let me come a little bit closer. If I can show you, here's the area. Here you see. Could you see? Here is the area it did die down. See that? I cut it very hard. And now, oh, by the way, and after that, it's sending out a lot of little baby shoots underneath the tree, so it's pretty nice. So the plant will be like multiple trunk, like not only single trunk anymore. So if one or two stems die down, I still have the other stems. Does that make sense? And by the way, I don't water much curry tree leaves at all. In this spot here, only yesterday I watered it actually.
like since the winter. And by the way, curry tree leaves doesn't like too much water. They like very good drainage, love a lot of sunshine. And it does like some water, in the in the summer, but definitely not much of water in the winter at all. So be careful about that, because if you got the very wet and cold winter, and if you don't protect it, it have a chance that it might die. By the way, on the top like got damage like this, I can easy to trim it down. Just about the healthy note here. In late winter, early spring. So I think this year this tree could be good actually. So that is for the video today. I hope that this video is just fun for you and give you a quick update about my beetle leaf plants and how I care for curry trees leaves as well, because in our area sometimes quite challenging as well to grow like warm loving plants, and here curry tree leaves, and you can definitely grow it to give it like warm spot in the winter. Don't water it too much, and it like a lot of sunshine, and it like a protected place as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in this video.